Today we will show you how to install a Bulldog 4,000-pound powered A-frame jack, part number 500200. The Bulldog 4K powered A-frame jack has two color options: white, part number 500200, and black, part number 500199. For a complete list of compatible part numbers, as well as a complete step-by-step instruction sheet for this installation, visit bulldogproducts.net. To prepare for and ensure a quick, quality installation, check all the provided parts against the parts list included with the Bulldog 4K powered A-frame jack. This will also help familiarize yourself with the parts in the kit. During this installation, we will be using the following tools. For this 4,000-pound powered A-frame jack installation, you will need to remove the existing trailer jack from the coupler. To do this, properly support the front of the trailer and make sure the wheels of the trailer are properly chalked to avoid any movement. Retract the existing jack and remove the block. If the existing jack is electric, disconnect the power wire from the trailer's battery. Remove the bolts attaching the jack to the trailer and pull it from the coupler. Once the old jack has been removed, you are now ready to install the Bulldog 4K powered A-frame jack. There's an unpainted portion under the mounting plate of the A-frame jack to accommodate proper grounding. A small area of the A-frame coupler on the trailer will have to be stripped of paint to correspond to the unpainted portion of the jack. Place the three provided star washers over the mounting holes on top of the A-frame coupler. Next, remove the linch pin from the Bulldog 4K powered A-frame jack and slide the drop leg out of the jack. Place the jack through the hole in the trailer's coupler and position its mounting plate over the star washers. The Bulldog 4K powered A-frame jack can be mounted with its controls facing the tow vehicle or turned to either side to provide additional clearance when obstructions such as propane tanks may be present. Now thread the provided 3 1/8-inch bolts with lock washers through the jack's mounting plate and enter the threads of the mounting holes located on the A-frame. Tighten until snug. If the mounting holes in the A-frame coupler are not threaded, use the included 3 1/8-inch nuts under the coupler to secure the jack. Using a torque wrench, torque all 3 1/8-inch hardware to 20 foot-pounds. Next, we will install the spring-loaded pull pin assembly. To do this, pull out the pin and align the grooves of the assembly with the grooves of the jack's inner tube. Slide the assembly onto the jack's inner tube and release the pull pin, making sure that the pin passes through both sides of the jack's inner tube. Once the assembly is in place, tighten the clamp on the assembly with the provided bolt and nut. Next, install the drop leg. Using a torque wrench, torque the assembly clamp fastening hardware to 20 foot-pounds while making sure the spring-loaded pull pin and drop leg operate freely. Next, we will wire the Bulldog 4K powered A-frame jack for power. First, route the black wire lead coming from under the plastic cover of the powered A-frame jack along the trailer frame to the trailer's battery. Using the included cable ties, secure the wiring as it is being routed. Connect the black wire lead with the ring terminal end directly to the positive terminal of the trailer's battery. The Bulldog 4K powered A-frame jack has a built-in circuit breaker, which automatically trips and resets if there is an issue, so an inline fuse is not needed. We can now reconnect the battery ground cable. The assembly and installation of the Bulldog 4K powered A-frame jack is now complete, and we can check for proper function. On the jack, press the switch marked EXT for extending the jack, and RET for retracting the jack. The jack leg should raise or lower the trailer depending on which function is chosen. The LED light switch should also be checked for function. All 3 LED lights on the jack will come on with the switch. Once the jack has been checked for proper operation, install the bubble level. First, place the bubble level on a known flat surface and level the trailer. Once the trailer is level, place the bubble level on the powered A-frame jack and adjust the 3 retaining screws so that the bubble is centered and tightened. That wraps up the installation of the Bulldog 4,000-pound powered A-frame jack.